Let's solve this together. It says 9 raised to the power x dot 9 raised to the power x is equal to 108. We're required to solve for x. Okay, so you don't know what x is. Now, the first thing I will explain is this dot here. Dot simply means product or multiplication. Okay, because I know a lot of people will be confused on what dot stands for. It stands for product or multiplication. Okay, that being stated, now let's go ahead and solve this quickly. Now, we can now see that 9 raised to the power x, instead of dots will now be times 9 raised to the power x is equal to 108. Okay, now this is an index. Okay, this is indices. And when you have a number, another number, and multiplication between them and they're of the same base, you add the powers. Okay, so this means 9 raised to the power x, okay, plus x is equal to 108. X plus x is 2x, so we have 9 raised to the power 2x to be equal to 108. Okay, now 9 is the same thing as 3 squared. Alright, so we have 3 squared all raised to the power 2x, okay, is equal to 108. Alright, now at this point we can use the law of indices that states that when we have a raised to the power m or raised to the power n is equal to a raised to the power m n. Alright, so it means that here we would have 3 raised to the power 2 all raised to the power 2x to be equal to 3 raised to the power 4x. Okay, and this is equal to 108. Alright, now 108 on the other hand can be re-expressed. Okay, so we have 3 raised to the power 4x to be equal to 108 can be re-expressed as 3. So we have 3 times 3 times 3 times 4 to be equal to 108. Alright, so we also have that 3 raised to the power 4x now becomes equal to 3 times 3 times 3 is what? 3 raised to the power 3. Okay, times 4 is what? 2 raised to the power 2. Okay, so this is the bare minimum way of expressing this question. Moving on from here, we can now say that we can take the logarithm of both sides. In order to take the logarithm of both sides, we have to take the logarithm of both sides to the base of the number carrying the variable. Okay, so this number is bearing the variable, which means 3 raised to the power 4x. We're going to take the logarithm to the base of this number. So we have logarithm to the base, which is 3, of 3 raised to the power 4x to be equal to logarithm to the base. Okay, because if you take whatever you do on the left hand side, you do on the right hand side of 3 raised to the power 3 times 2 raised to the power 2. Okay, now when you have something like this in log, when you have logarithm of a number with a power on it, okay, you simply multiply that number by that logarithm by that power rather. So we have 4x times the logarithm, okay, of 3 raised to the power 3. Okay, and this is equal to, now when you have multiplication and then you have log of a number times a number, it becomes the log of the first number plus the log of the second number. Okay, now at this point you're seeing logarithm of 3 to base 3. Any logarithm of a number to its own base is 1. Okay, so we have 4x here to be equal to, now when you multiply this, okay, following the rule stated earlier, you have 2 times logarithm of 3 to base 3. And we said that logarithm of a number to its own base is 1. Okay, so it means that this will be 2 times 1, which is 2. Same thing here, this is logarithm to base 3. Okay, so you multiply 2 times logarithm of 2 to base 3. Alright, this is not the same base, so you cannot cancel out. Now moving on from here, we can now say that x is equal to, factoring out what is common here, 2 into 1 plus logarithm of 2 to base 3, okay, all divided by 4. Alright, because this 4 cancels on both sides. Alright, now x here will become equal to 2 divided by 4 is 2, so we have here, and then we have 1 plus logarithm of 2 to the base 3. Alright, so this becomes your final answer to this question. Thanks for watching. If you made it to the end, please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.